In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Traffic Objective in Reddit ads. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a campaign that's optimized for clicks and built to send the right people to your site. Start by opening your browser and searching for Reddit ads. From the results, click the first official link to head over to the platform. Once you're there, select Log In. Choose whichever sign-in method works best for you, whether that's using your phone number, a Google or Apple account, or receiving a one-time link by email. After you're authenticated, you'll be routed to your Ads Manager dashboard. Inside Ads Manager, click Create Campaign. Before you proceed, look to the bottom left of the screen and switch to Advanced Create. This view gives you more granular control and will make the next steps clearer. You should now see the Objective section. Select traffic as your primary goal. This tells Reddit's algorithm to prioritize users who are most likely to click your ad and visit your site. Next, set your bidding. With the traffic objective, you'll typically use a cost-per-click model, meaning you only pay when someone actually clicks. It's a straightforward way to align spend with performance. Move to targeting by going to the Ad group from the left sidebar. Here, identify specific subreddits or interest groups where your audience is active. Think about where your ideal customers spend time, what topics they follow, and which communities match your product or message. Relevance is key. Better alignment usually means higher quality clicks. Now, click on the ad from the left sidebar to build your creative. Give your ad a clear internal name so you can recognize it later. Choose your format: image, video, carousel, or freeform, based on what showcases your offer best. Write a concise, compelling headline that makes the click feel worthwhile. Upload and customize your main image and thumbnail so they look clean and readable across devices. Then select a call to action and add your destination URL. Make sure the URL is correct and leads to a fast, matching landing page. Decide whether to add source parameters, like UTM tags, to track performance in your analytics, and choose if you want to allow comments on the ad based on your moderation preferences. A live preview will appear on the right side of the screen. Use this to double-check formatting, copy, and visuals. When everything looks good, click Review, then Publish. That's it. Your traffic campaign is live and focused on bringing qualified visitors straight to your site.